Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we're going to learn another Chinese character that's related to direction and position. Its pronunciation is ho. The character ho is the opposite of qian. Let's quickly review what the character qian means. Qian is often used to describe position, both in space and time. It usually means in front of something or before a certain moment. It can also describe order, meaning something that comes earlier in a sequence. So, what do you think ho might mean? Yes, the character ho usually describe position, meaning behind or at the back. It can describe time, meaning after or later, and it can also describe order, meaning something that comes after others in a sequence. When we replace qian with ho in a word, the meaning often becomes the opposite. For example, 前面 means in front of something. 后面 means behind something. 以前 means before or in the past. 以后 means after or in the future. 前人 means people from earlier times. 后人 means people from later generations. 前5名 means the top 5. 后5名 means the bottom 5. But remember, not every word with qian can be replaced with ho to make sense. For example, we know 前夫 means former husband. You might guess that 后夫 means later husband, but that word doesn't exist in Chinese. It sounds very strange and unnatural. Instead, in modern Chinese, we say 未婚夫 to mean fiancé. Now, let's look at another interesting meaning of ho. In ancient China, ho was a title for the emperor's wife, the most honorable and respected woman in the palace. In oracle bone inscriptions, the earliest form looked like a woman dressed in long, flowing robes. Later, it was simplified, like a woman wearing a long gown. Eventually, it evolved into the neat, modern character. Let's practice reading it together. Ho. 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 The character ho is a semi-enclosed structure. We've learned that Chinese characters can have different structures: single component structure, left-right structure, top-bottom structure, and enclosed structure. So, what is a semi-enclosed structure? An enclosed structure means one part completely surrounds the other part, like this. A semi-enclosed structure means it's only partly enclosed, not fully closed, like this. The character ho is made up of two parts, an outer frame and an inner component. When combined, they form the complete character ho. Now, let's write it together. First, write the first left falling stroke. It's almost flat, moving from right to left with a slight downward tilt. Then, write the vertical left stroke on its left side. It moves mostly downward. Next, in the middle on the right, add a horizontal stroke. Finally, below it, write the small component coal. Be careful, the inner part shouldn't go beyond the outer frame. If you draw it like this, it won't look balanced. Great job! You've written it correctly. Now here's something fun. Do you still remember the word 前天? It means the day before yesterday, not yesterday. If we replace 前 with ho, we get 后天. Can you guess what it means? That's right. 后天 means the day after tomorrow, not tomorrow. Congratulations! Chinese is getting easier and easier for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.